Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Bailey's Creation. Today I'll be doing steamed fish with turned cornmeal. I'm asking you guys to please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and leave a comment down below, okay? Thank you. Okay guys, first things first, my season. I have here some fish season and some black pepper that I'm going to use to season my fish. I'm not going to use a lot because I'll be using cock soup in my fish as well, so I don't need a lot of season, just a little. Fish are properly cleaned. Yes, it's now time for me to season my cornmeal pot. I have here my milk, coconut milk, some mixed vegetable, my cock soup mix for flavor, thyme, pepper, and some scallion. Also be adding a little butter. This makes it taste so mild. Nice. So I'm gonna stir this. I'm trying my best not to make the spoon touch the pot because trust me, it sounds horrible. So I'm gonna let this stay here and boil. Once it boils, then I add the cornmeal to it. If it needs a little salt, I'll add a little salt to it, and that's it. Time to get my fish going. So I have some oil, just a little bit, that I'm going to use to saute my seasons so I can get all that nice flavor out of it. I have here some pumpkin, some onions, scotch bonnet pepper, some scallion, carrots, thyme, and some bell peppers. So I'll be sauteing this for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Then I add the coconut milk and the noodle and let that boil for about 5 minutes. Then I add the fish. It's now time for the coconut milk. Because my seasons are already sauteed, I'm going to add the milk now. And the noodle. Remember, I didn't use any salt because this having salt along with the little fish season that I use. I'm going to add a little bit more milk. Right, and let this come to a boil, and then I add the fish. It's now time. The cornmeal is ready to be added onto this. Oh, Jesus, man, this is a spoon. I had some water in it because I don't want any lump. And then I'm gonna pour and stir. It's gonna get thick pretty soon. Not mine, so you can steam. This is now ready for the fish. So I'm gonna take them and just slide them in. We're going to have to Arab. Turn down my stove. Take it one little time and steam. This is the way the cornmeal looks, and you have to constantly stir it so that it don't stick that much in the pot. So this is the way it looks, and you have to keep stirring it. Steam fish are bubble. Turn cornmeal pan them yesterday. You have to constantly turn and turn and turn again. And I'm gonna tip a little water around the side. That water is to help steam it. You know, you don't want nobody have no swell belly. Scrape them off. Steam fish is all ready. Steam fish is all ready. And you need to have this nice gravy to eat with the turned cornmeal. Yes. Nice and rich. So that's that. There you have it, guys. Turned cornmeal, steamed fish, piece of corn, and some steamed veg. That's my dinner. After all that hard work, it's now time to taste the finished product. I'm going to put my fish. I feel like more fight about them. Ignorant for them. Too nice. God knows, that truth.